The process begins with the installation of Node.js and NPM, or Node Package Manager. This is the foundation on which we'll build our Angular environment. For Windows users, we start by visiting the Node.js download page and selecting the recommended version for most users. After running the installer and following the prompts, Node.js and NPM are ready to go. To confirm, open the command prompt and run node v and npm v. For Mac users, your process is similar. Visit the Node.js download page, download the recommended version, and run the installer. Again, to verify the installation, open the terminal and run node v and npm v. For those on Linux, specifically Ubuntu or Debian, we begin by updating the package index with sudo apt update. Then, to install Node.js and npm, use the node source repository to get the latest LTS version with the following commands: curl fssl sudo ebash and sudo apt get install ynodes. As before, verify everything with node v and npm v. With Node.js and npm installed, we can now install the Angular CLI. To do this, run npm install g at Angular/CLI in your command line interface. Verify the installation with a version. Now the exciting part, creating a new Angular project. Navigate to the directory where you want to create your project and run new my Angular app. Follow the prompts to set up your new Angular project. Then navigate to the project directory with cd my Angular app and serve your application with serve. Open a web browser and navigate to, voila, you should see your application running. In summary, we've installed Node.js and npm, installed the Angular CLI, and created a new Angular project. With these steps, you now have a fully set up development environment for Angular. The world of Angular development is now at your fingertips.